Hello guys, and welcome back to another unboxing video. And today this is an unboxing from my good friend Artsy Dilo. I will put his channel and Instagram page up later. And I'm so glad I could help him out. And let's get into this. Oh, this is so nice. That is like really cool. I love this drawing. There we go. He packaged it really good. Here it is. Oh, something fell out. Oh, that's really cool. It's rocks, colored rocks. I think they've fallen out, some of them. What? That is really cool. It is like really cool. I had to turn the flash on. I've never seen any like this before. I mean, I have collected colorful rocks before, but I have never seen anything like this before. It's like really cool. I appreciate it a lot. That is like amazing. This one I have seen before, but bigger. But other than that, that is amazing. Don't want to lose that. Oh, here's the beautiful repaint. Wow. Just wow. It looks even better in person. I have to say you have done an amazing job. Just beautiful. And I'm so glad to have this in my collection. Just thank you so much, Artsy Dilo. I hope you continue to sell some more of your repaints for your project. Just beautiful. And thank you so much for the rocks too. And the little drawing. Just thank you so much for this. I appreciate it. And I'm so happy I could help you out because you're a fellow repainter like myself. I hope you do well with your repaints and in whatever project you are doing. This is like really cool. So is the rocks. Anyway guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video and please go follow him. And I will see you in the next video, and it's very important, the next video. And I hope I will see you then. Bye!